Hi! In front of me is the Lenovo TAB M10 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Lenovo. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from Flarto developer, and when it's ready, open it. DevCheck device and system info. As you can see now, thanks to this app, I can learn all the information about my device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!